Alright, hello you lovely people. David here. Picture this. Alarm blaring, it's dark, you're rushing, work, kids, commute, the lot. By the time you're home, you're knackered, but you still want something tasty and healthy. If you're a super busy woman trying to look after yourself and maybe lose a few pounds, this video is for you. We're making quick, healthy meals. No stress, no fuss, just honest food that fits your life. Welcome to SlimSync. Grab a cuppa, get comfy, and let's make meal prep your new best mate. Let's do this. Let's kick things off with a breakfast that's as quick as it is nourishing. Ready in just 2 minutes, start to finish. If you're someone who's always rushing in the morning, this is the perfect solution. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing something unhealthy on the go. With just a couple of minutes and a few simple ingredients, you can set yourself up for a day of energy and focus. Start by grabbing a clean glass jar or any container you have handy. Spoon in half a cup of cottage cheese. This is your protein powerhouse. Cottage cheese is not only rich in protein, but it's also packed with calcium and B vitamins, which help keep your bones strong and your mind sharp. It's creamy, filling, and the perfect base for a breakfast that will keep you satisfied for hours. Next, pile on a generous handful of fresh berries. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Use whatever you love or whatever's in season. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and natural sweetness, so you don't need to add any sugar. They add a burst of color and flavor, making your breakfast look as good as it tastes. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a few slices of banana or a sprinkle of pomegranate seeds for extra variety. Now, for a nutritional boost, sprinkle on a teaspoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a fantastic source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and digestion. Add a bit of ground flaxseed too, for even more fiber and a subtle nutty flavor. These superfoods help keep you full and satisfied, and they support your overall health in a big way. That's it. Pop the lid on your jar. No cooking, no mess, and no fuss. You can make this breakfast in less time than it takes to brew your morning coffee. It's perfect for busy mornings, or when you just want something easy and delicious. The best part? You can make several jars at once. Line them up on your counter, prep a few for the week, and store them in the fridge. That way, you've got healthy grab-and-go breakfasts ready whenever you need them. It's meal prep made simple, and it saves you so much time during the week. In the morning, just open the fridge, grab a jar, and you're out the door. No more excuses for skipping breakfast or settling for something less nutritious. Whether you're heading to work, school, or the gym, you've got a balanced meal ready to go. When you sit down to eat, you'll love the creamy texture of the cottage cheese paired with the juicy, sweet berries. Every spoonful is a mix of flavors and textures, creamy, tangy, sweet, and a little bit crunchy from the seeds. It's a breakfast that feels indulgent, but it's actually super healthy. This breakfast keeps your energy up and hunger at bay, so you can focus on your day without those mid-morning cravings. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats means you'll stay full and satisfied for hours, powering through meetings, classes, or whatever your morning throws at you. It's all about working smarter, not harder. With just a little planning, you can make healthy eating effortless. These jars are perfect for meal prep, and you can customize them with your favorite fruits, seeds, or even a drizzle of honey if you like it a bit sweeter. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. These cottage cheese and berry power jars fit perfectly into a busy lifestyle, whether you're eating at home, at your desk, or on the move. They're nutritious, delicious, and totally portable. So why not give it a try? Whip up a few jars, stash them in your fridge, and see how easy and tasty healthy breakfasts can be. You'll love the convenience, the flavor, and the way you feel. Puka. Next, let's do something savory. Spinach and feta egg muffins. These are the ultimate make-ahead breakfast or snack, packed with protein and flavor, and they're so easy to whip up. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or just want a healthy grab-and-go option, these muffins are a game-changer. Plus, they're naturally gluten-free and can be customized with your favorite add-ins. Start by cracking 6 large eggs into a mixing bowl. Give them a good whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined and the mixture is a little frothy. This helps make the muffins light and fluffy. If you like, you can add a splash of milk or cream for extra richness, but it's totally optional. Next, add a generous handful of chopped spinach. You can use fresh spinach, or if you have frozen spinach, just make sure to thaw and squeeze out all the excess water so your muffins aren't soggy. Then, crumble in some tangy feta cheese. The feta adds a creamy, salty bite that pairs perfectly with the spinach. Season the mixture with freshly ground black pepper. The feta is already salty, so you really don't need to add any extra salt. If you want a little kick, you could also sprinkle in some chili flakes or a pinch of smoked paprika for extra flavor. Stir everything together until the spinach and feta are evenly distributed. Then, pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin or use paper liners for easy cleanup. Fill each cup about 3/4 full to give the muffins room to rise as they bake. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees or 350 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. You'll know they're done when the tops are puffed up, golden, and just set in the center. The kitchen will smell amazing. Once they're out of the oven, let the muffins cool in the tin for a few minutes. This makes them easier to remove without breaking. Then, gently pop them out and let them cool completely on a wire rack. These egg muffins keep really well in the fridge for up to 5 days. Just store them in an airtight container. They're perfect for a quick breakfast on busy mornings, or as a protein-packed snack any time of day. You can eat them cold, or reheat them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Each muffin is high in protein, low in carbs, and absolutely delicious. They're a great way to sneak in some greens, and the feta gives them a rich, savory flavor that's hard to resist. These are perfect for those hectic mornings when you need something filling and nutritious, or for that afternoon slump when you want a healthy pick-me-up. They're also great for kids' lunchboxes, or as a post-workout snack. Make a batch at the start of the week, and you'll have a delicious, healthy option ready whenever hunger strikes. Spinach and feta egg muffins. Simple, satisfying, and sure to become a staple in your kitchen. Now, lunch. No cooking required. Drain a can of tuna, flake it into a bowl. Add half a cup of rinsed cannellini beans for fiber and creaminess. Squeeze in lemon juice for zing, and toss in chopped parsley for freshness. Drizzle with a little olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Gently mix. Don't mash. Taste and adjust lemon or pepper as you like. Make it in the morning or at work. Takes 2 minutes. It's filling, energizing, and won't leave you sluggish. 4 ingredients, endless flavor. Healthy, simple, and perfect for busy days. Lovely jubbly. The 5-minute lifesaver. Turkey and hummus lettuce rolls. Use crisp lettuce leaves, iceberg or romaine, as your wrap. Spread a tablespoon of hummus inside each leaf. Add a couple of slices of cooked turkey for lean protein. Top with cucumber sticks for crunch. Bell pepper or carrot works too. Roll it up tight, slice if you like, and you're done. No cooking, no mess, just fresh, real food. Make a few for lunch or snacks, keeps you full and satisfied, way better than crisps or takeaway. Fast, fresh, and fantastically good for you. Try them, you'll be hooked. 10-minute miracle dinner. Foil salmon packets with zucchini. Place a salmon fillet on a big piece of foil. Surround with thinly sliced zucchini. Top salmon with lemon slices. Drizzle with olive oil. Sprinkle with herbs, oregano, dill, or parsley, salt, and pepper. Seal the foil into a packet. Bake at 200 degree, 400 degree for 8 to 12 minutes. The steam cooks everything perfectly. No mess. Open carefully. Watch for steam. You get flaky salmon, tender veg, and a light lemony sauce. Clean up? Just toss the foil. Restaurant quality dinner, zero stress. Puka. Meet your new batch prep champion, quinoa and roasted veggie bowls. This recipe is a lifesaver for busy weeks, making it easy to eat healthy, colorful, and satisfying meals every single day. Whether you're a meal prep pro or just getting started, this bowl is about to become your go-to for effortless lunches and dinners. Start by chopping your favorite colorful veggies. Think bell peppers, zucchini, carrots, and red onion. The more variety, the better. These veggies not only add vibrant color to your bowls, but also pack in nutrients and flavor. Don't be afraid to mix it up with whatever's in season or what you have on hand. Toss your chopped veggies with a generous drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Spread them out on a baking sheet so they roast evenly. Pop them in the oven and let them roast until they're golden, caramelized, and just a little bit crispy on the edges. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and makes them irresistibly tasty. While your veggies are roasting, cook 1 cup of quinoa according to the package instructions. Quinoa is a fantastic base for meal prep. It's high in protein, naturally gluten-free, and cooks up fluffy in just about 15 minutes. You can use white, red, or tricolor quinoa for extra texture and visual appeal. Once the quinoa is cooked, fluff it up with a fork to keep it light and airy. While it's still warm, dress it with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. This simple step adds a bright, zesty flavor and keeps the quinoa from drying out in the fridge. Now it's time to assemble. Divide the fluffy quinoa evenly into your meal prep containers, then top each one with a generous helping of those beautifully roasted veggies. The combination of textures and colors makes every bowl look and taste amazing. For a complete meal, add your favorite protein. Grilled chicken, turkey slices, or chickpeas all work perfectly. This step makes your bowls more filling and keeps you satisfied for hours. You can even switch up the protein each week to keep things interesting. Snap the lids onto your containers and stack them neatly in the fridge. These bowls will stay fresh for up to 4 days, making them perfect for grab-and-go lunches or quick dinners when you're short on time. When hunger strikes, just grab a bowl. You can enjoy it cold straight from the fridge or warm it up in the microwave for a cozy, comforting meal. Either way, you've got a nutritious, homemade option ready in minutes. No stress, no fuss. These bowls are healthy, filling, and totally delicious. Packed with fiber, protein, and a rainbow of veggies, they'll keep you energized and satisfied all day long. With quinoa and roasted veggie bowls, you're not just eating well. You're winning at meal prep, saving time, and making healthy choices easy all week long. That's it. 6 healthy, super fast meals for real life. You don't need hours in the kitchen to eat well. Just smart choices, good ingredients, and a few minutes of prep. These meals fit your busy world and help you feel your best. If you want more simple, tasty recipes, hit subscribe for SlimSync. Let us know which recipe you'll try first. Even on your busiest days, you deserve a healthy, delicious meal. Take care. Lots of love.